2014 LDC പത്തനംതിട്ട ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അതിലെ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് നമ്മളിന്ന് നോക്കുന്നത്. മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് 3. He is dash unique politician. He is dash unique politician. And some a any. And some a any. Neither of them dash the answer. Neither of them dash the answer. Was knowing, know, is knowing, knows. Mumbai is the seaport dash to Europe. Mumbai is the seaport dash to Europe. Nearby, nearest, near, next. None of the people arrived in time for the meeting dash. Didn't they, have they, don't, did they. Didn't they, have they, don't, did they. None of the people arrived in time for the meeting dash. The synonym of absurd is unconscious, conscious, foolish, sensible. The synonym of absurd. Which is correctly spelled? Pronunciation PRONOUNCIATION. Lieutenant LIEUTENANT. Occurred OCCURED. Occurrence OCCURRANCE. Which is correctly spelled. The antonym of brave is timid, courageous, bold, daring. Timid, courageous, bold, daring. The antonym of brave. Antonym of brave is timid, courageous, bold, daring. A dash of lions. A dash of lions. Pride, parliament, gang, herd. Pride, parliament, gang, herd. If you had worked hard, you dash a first class. If you had worked hard, you dash a first class. Will get, may get, would have got, might get. Will get, may get, would have got, might get. Seema prefers sari dash churidar. Seema prefers sari dash churidar. Than, more than, to, better than. Than, more than, to, better than. Which of the following is wrongly spelled? Required RECURED. Paralleled PARALLELED. Budgeted BUDGETED. Preferred PREFERRED. Which of the following is wrongly spelled? Plural of son-in-law is sons-in-laws, sons-in-law, son-in-laws, sons and laws. Plural of son-in-law. That work is dash for any man to do single-handed. More than enough, much more, very much, too much. That work is dash for any man to do single-handed. More than enough, much more, very much, too much. I hope you will excuse dash early. I hope you will excuse dash early. My leaving, my leave, me leaving, me leave. I hope you will excuse dash early. How long have dash here? How long have dash here? You been writing, you wait, you are waiting, you waited. You been writing, you wait, you are waiting, you waited. Opus magnum means a great work, grateful in reality, magnitude. Opus magnum means a great work, grateful in reality, magnitude. Opus magnum. What is the meaning of opus magnum? One who compiles dictionaries is called a dictator, calligrapher, lexicographer, linguist. One who compiles dictionaries is called a dictator, calligrapher, lexicographer, linguist. Dictator, calligrapher, lexicographer, linguist. You dash ask permission. You dash ask permission. Will better, would better, had better, have better. Will better, would better, had better, have better. You dash ask permission. You dash ask permission. This is the house dash I was born. This is the house dash I was born. Where, which, when, where. Where, which, when, where. We should always dash the meaning of new words in the dictionary. Look into, look up, look over, look after. Look into, look up, look over, look after. Answers. 1. A. 2 knows, 3 nearest, 4 did they, 5 foolish, 6 lieutenant, 7 timid, 8 pride. 1A, 2 knows, 3 nearest, 4 did they, 5 foolish, 6 lieutenant, LIEUTENANT, 7 timid, TIMID, 8 pride. 9. You would have got 10 to 11 record. RECURED. Correct word RECURRED. 12th sons in law. 13 too much. 14 my leaving. 15 have you been waiting. 16 a great work. 9th you would have got 10 to 11 record, 12 sons in law, then too much, my leaving, have you been waiting, a great work. 17 lexicographer. 18 had better. 19 where, WHERE where. 20 look up. Lexicographer, had better, where, look up. Lexicographer, had better, where, look up. 17th C, 18th C, 19th D and 20th B.